Today we are standing in Lake Elsinore, California, where we replaced a couple burning units with two entry-level Fleetwoods. So this is going to be a two-part video. We're going to be touring this home as well as this second home. This is a 2456, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan. And this home right there is it's less open. It has dividing walls, so you get to see the two different types of homes. An open floor plan, which is more inviting. It's great for entertainment. And then this home that has a wall dividing the kitchen and the living room gives you a little bit more privacy for each room. So it just depends what you like. But you're watching the Manufactured Housing Expert channel here on YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about factory-built housing in the state of California and touring new and pre-owned homes, we also do tiny homes. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. So let's go ahead and tour this home. We love hearing your comments, so put your comments in the comment section below, and let's go. Like I said, this is the Canyon Lakes model 2456. So as you could see when we first go in here, this is nice and open with a nice kitchen island. What you're going to notice, this is the entry-level home. So if you're wondering what a standard home is, for Fleetwood, we have these cathedral ceilings. As you can see, a lot of times we like to upgrade with the 9-foot flat. And we also have the standard carpet with, this is actually, believe it or not, linoleum. So this is just rolls of linoleum. The quality is so good these days. So one of the downsides is that you do have the carpet and the kitchen flooring dividing which room, where the room ends. So we like to have it all as one piece. So that's something to keep in mind, but it keeps your costs down. Also, these are laminate countertops. Look how beautiful they are. They actually have the grain. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but let's see if we can get that nice light there. But you can see it does have the grain. They do a great finish. And then I really like these cabinets. These cabinets, believe it or not, are paper wrap. There are some downsides to paper wrap, but you can always upgrade to the solid wood, hardwood cabinets. And that's what a lot of people do, is do upgrade. So let's take a look in here. Some companies do a thermofoil for their wrapped cabinets. So thermofoil is much better. It's more durable. You don't get the seams, so it's not peeling at the seams. But this is a very nice, we put the, that's a 6-inch backsplash, just matching the countertops. Standard sink. If you want to see some homes with some upgrades, take a look at the channel and tour some homes that we did at Silvercrest. Those are really nice. So this is a nice open floor plan. It's really good to entertain your family and friends. This is in an all-age community. This home's already sold, so it's not for sale, but we just want to let you see a nice entry-level home. You have plenty of room for a side-by-side washer and dryer. Also, you get the rack, an upgrade. You could put cabinets up there. You could really do whatever you would like. But remember, stay tuned. Check out the link in the description. That is the home that we're going to film, or that we're going to show next. So another option, what we like to do is we like to do an upgrade where you do a furnace door. If you're wondering what kind of upgrades you want to do, you'll see that this is like a 2-inch baseboard. You could upgrade the baseboard. This is a nice, cozy bathroom. There you go. It's a good size for a guest bathroom. Again, I really like the cabinets for being an entry-level home. Here in California, depending on the project, you can get a 2452 with the standard features, probably between $110,000, $115,000. All in, that'd be move-in ready. This is a great third bedroom. This bedroom will fit a double and a queen, no problem. So these are good sized bedrooms. A 2456 does allow for 3 good sized bedrooms. There you go. When you do a split floor plan, you eliminate the halls. So I really like the split open floor plans where the kitchen's open to the living room, but you got bedrooms on both sides. So now we're headed over to the master. Tell us what you think about this home, guys. I think for an entry-level home, this home is beautiful. Of course, there's a lot of upgrades you could do, but do you notice in California, all of our walls come with drywall? I notice a lot of the stuff in the south and maybe back east, a lot of it still is panel siding if you're getting an entry-level home. Not here, you are getting good quality homes. Not saying they're not good quality over in the south. You guys build an awesome home too. We all learn from each other. But here in Orange County in Southern California, we just pay outrageous prices for housing. So some people have a little bit different expectations on what they're going to be getting. So that's it for this home. If you want to see the other home, check out the link. Thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel, where we try to help educate you so that you can make more informed decisions when purchasing a manufactured home. We premiere several home tours every week of new and pre-owned home. If you have any questions, send them in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next home.